We have been a driving force in the European automotive industry for 35 years. Starting out as a small family business, we have grown to become a leader operating in 21 European countries. We support independent garage owners who play a vital role in ensuring the safety of millions of drivers every day. We provide them with more than just spare parts. We provide them with a whole ecosystem of modern solutions. Our foundations are stable. The backing of a family investor, a long-term strategy and the courage to make decisions give us the strength to grow, innovate and build market value. Every day we work to make independent garages faster and more efficient. This enables them to compete in terms of quality, speed of service and availability. Intercars is the widest range of parts in Central and Eastern Europe. We offer over 750,000 parts for passenger cars, trucks, construction and agricultural machinery, motorcycles and boats with fast delivery. This also includes mass products such as tires, oils and batteries. We also offer a wide range of garage equipment and services to support development. Everything in one place. Intercars is first and foremost about people. Innovative individuals who are open to change and who are building the future of the market with us. Technology is at the heart of what we do. Our applications facilitate work, speed up processes and increase efficiency. They enable garage owners to save time and focus on what really matters: development. Logistics? Automated. Built to give garages the confidence that the part they need will arrive exactly when it should. When we need to take a step back and look at the bigger picture, we don't shy away from responsibility. Our foundation educates, supports and cares about road safety. Because as a business, we want to have a positive impact on our environment. At Intercars, we don't wait for the future. We create it. We invest, we simplify, we automate. We act faster than the market, and we know where we are heading. Intercars. Saving time, powering progress.